Hello students, welcome back standard third. Today we will complete the rest of the chapter, that is chapter number 11, our vehicles. In previous two sessions we learnt about the vehicles and its importance in our life. In this session we will learn about different types of vehicles, emergency vehicles, and how they help us in our difficult situation. So, let's begin with the chapter now. Children, as here you can see that there are two types of vehicles. The vehicles that carry passengers or people, and the vehicles that carry goods or things. Examples of the vehicles that carry passengers are passenger train, bus, etc. And the vehicles that carry goods are goods train, delivery van, and many other. From this we know that different vehicles are used for different purposes. Children, name of some vehicles are given. On one side in the column, write the numbers of wheels and write its uses in other column. Here, the first one is an image of a bus. It has four wheels and it is used for traveling, tour, and social work. The second one is an image of a bullock cart. It has two wheels. It is used for transporting people and carrying goods. The next one is an image of a rickshaw. As you all can see that it has three wheels and it is used for carrying passengers for short distance. So here you can see the picture of a car. It has four wheels. It is used for transporting people and carrying goods. The next one is an image of an aeroplane. The number of wheels in aeroplane depends on its model and its carrying capacity. So, the number of wheels varies between 3 to 10. It is used for transporting people and goods around the world and for traveling fast. Students, you all know that aeroplane is the fastest mode of transportation. Now you can see the image of a bicycle. It has two wheels. It is used to go for a short distance. So children, now think and tell. Here are some questions for you all. Let us see what will be the possible answers for these questions. The first one is, which kinds of vehicles are used nowadays? Well, the vehicles like metro rail, AC bus, aeroplane, cab, car, motorbikes are used nowadays. Now move on to the second question. Which kinds of vehicles were used before 20 years? Well, the vehicles like bullock cart, tram, bus, train, rickshaw, sheep, boat, bicycle were used before 20 years? Here the question says, how did people used to travel when there were no vehicles? People rode on horses, elephants, and camels to cover distances when there were no vehicles. Now ask them, which vehicles did they use? Mummy, train, bus, car, boat. Friend, aeroplane, car, train, metro rail. Chacha, bus, auto, train, aeroplane. Teacher, car, scooter, train, metro rail. Grandparents, bullock cart, rickshaw, tonga, tram. So students, now ask your friends and relatives and write their answers in your notebook. So kids, here is an interesting activity for you all. In this activity, you have to make your own train. With the help of the picture, make a toy train using empty matchboxes. To make the toy train, tins can be used in place of matchboxes. For making wheels, bottle caps or buttons can be used. From the sounds given below, can you tell which vehicle is it? Chuk chuk, train. Beep beep, scooter. Pom pom, it's a truck. Tup tup, horse cart. Ghar ghar, it's a motorcycle. Tring tring, bicycle. That means all vehicles make unique sound when they move from one place to another. So, just by hearing these sounds, you can identify which vehicle is it. So, here are some questions for you all. Now, we will find out the possible answers for these questions. These are the sounds of single vehicles. How does it sound when many vehicles run together on the road making different noises? Isn't there a lot of noise? Well, all the sounds get mixed and it creates a lot of noise. Now, the question says, where have you heard the maximum noise? Well, I have heard the maximum noise on the busy roads during high traffic. Now, the next question says, do you like so much noise? Why? No, I don't like so much noise because it scares me. Children, let us understand what are emergency vehicles. An emergency vehicle is a vehicle that is used by emergency services to respond to an incident. Examples: police van, ambulance, fire brigade van. Students, look at the picture very carefully and write the answers. Here, the first question says, what all can you see in the picture? We can see the flames and smoke emitting from the building. We can see the fire brigade men working to control the fire. We can also see the ambulance and the police van standing near the building. Here the question says, Which vehicles can you see in the picture? So, from the picture, I can see the vehicles like an ambulance, a police van, and a fire brigade van. Let's move on to the next question. What are these vehicles doing? The fire brigade men are trying to control the fire. Ambulance is taking the patients to the hospital. Children, look at the boxes in the picture on the top. Draw them in the correct sequence in the bottom boxes and color. What did you get? Write its name. So students, here you can see the picture of an elephant. As per the correct sequence, we got a picture of an elephant. Children, here I have given you the home assignment. Now you have to write these answers in your EVS notebook. Students, here I have finished the whole chapter. Now go through the chapter, revise it. I believe you all must have understood the whole topic. Thank you.